Okay, folks, here we go. I'm doing a testing of full contact support. This is a very, very basic test. We got a round kind of object. The yellowish is the PCTG. It's the 3D fuel refuel PCTG. The red is PLA. The idea is that we can print the support without having the model touching the build plate. So the red is the model, and it does come apart. And also the point is that it took a lot of effort to get this to come apart. So there is a kind of a partial fusion that is occurring during the print job when it's being printed, and it took an effort to get it apart. That one actually ended up using a tool to get it apart, and the tool went into my thumb and drew blood, and it was bleeding pretty bad. So here's the next version of the test. Again, I was trying to make something a little bit bigger, a little bit better of a test. For this other one, there was an issue where the bottom of the model actually was touching the build plate. A friend from the forum helped. So that is actually touching it. The deal is I did not want it touching the build plate. That is the whole point of it. So this was the second test. I went next door to my neighbor to have him pull it apart so he could see it because he's got a 3D printer. So now these are apart. The point being, so if I take this piece, I try to pull this apart, it's going to take a lot of effort to get this apart. And so what I need to do is take some sort of a tool. I got a pair of scissors here, and I'm just going to wrench it under the edge of the object. Easier said than done, right? All right, so I got it under there. I'm able to pull this thing apart, and the point is it took effort to pull them apart. So I did pull them apart. It took effort to pull them apart, but there is a bit of a problem, and I need to look into this. I'm getting an issue with the print, with the bottom of the model, and the inside here where the top surface of the very bottom of this touches the bottom of this, and there is a problem there. So I'm going to be looking into that next. That's it.